Alright. It's 8:38. I'm a little early. I got a 9 o'clock appointment. Getting my second mod on this truck. I came across this place on Instagram. This is really my first time dealing with them. So we're going to see how it goes. So there's a lot of, hopefully this goes all good because there's a lot of stuff in here I need for this truck. Alright. So I'm going to sit here and chill. But yeah, here we are, man. Just trying to give a quick little update on the truck. So far, it's been a pretty good truck, man. Got the side steps, exactly what I needed. Looking good. Almost looks like little baby Denali steps. First mod to the GMC on the outside. This is just, gotta do it in stages, people. A little step at a time. Not too bad. Only took about an hour and a half. Cosmos, definitely for the win. All right, once again, back at the Cosmos. They hooked it up one more time. Got that brand new truck liner. No more just black paint to get all scratched up. They definitely did a great job. Looking pretty good. It's pretty damn thick also. I got the thickest one you can possibly get. Once again, when it comes to, so far, man, they did 2 and 2, man. They did a pretty good job at the old Cosmos. Definitely happy with the turnout. All right, but I gotta get on the road because it's 5 o'clock traffic. It's crazy out there, so I ain't gonna play around too much. All right, let me check one more thing. Double check before I roll out. Make sure all this crap still works. Yep. Both lights still work. All good. All right, I'm out of here, people. Once again, shout out to the guys at Cosmos. Hook me up one more time. I'll be back next month for the next go around.